Hello everyone, today I'll tell you how to use the Loft feature correctly in SolidWorks. So let's start. Before starting to use the Loft feature, I would like to sketch. So first of all, select the top plane. Okay, let's sketch a rectangle. There you go. Let's have a dimension. For dimension, I'll be giving it uh, okay, let's have 200 millimeters, and for this side I'll be giving it 150 millimeters. Okay, now execute the sketch. You have a perfect rectangular shaped sketch. Now we'll have another sketch on the top plane again, but we'll have a reference plane first. Select the top plane. 3 millimeter. Let's have more, like 60. Let's have 100 millimeter. Yeah, that should be okay. So click the right button, I mean the left button of your mouse, then to sketch on this plane, click on this and sketch normal. Okay, now I'll be drawing a rectangular sketch. Like this. Okay, so here you go. Let's have some relation. Vertical relation, there you go. Okay, exit the sketch. Okay, let's hide this plane. So you will see that there are two sketches. Now I want to have a loft feature, so you can see that in the feature tab there is a lofted base and boss feature. So click on that, and you see there are some profile selection section. So if you select this one and that one, it will automatically detect what? A profile. See, there is a solid model has been created, but I don't want to have this type of model. I want some other type of model. Like, this model is not perfect, I want something else. So clear this section. You'll see that if I select this one, this point, not this side or this side or this side, you have to select the point, and if you want to match this one, then click that one. See, you have a different model now. So every time you use the loft feature, my suggestion would be to use the points. Like if I want to connect this point to that point, yeah, it will appear like this. So it's a different shape than before. You see, so it's very necessary to carefully select the points rather than selecting the sides. It won't appear as correct as you want. So if you select point and side, see, automatically SolidWorks detect the points. It can be easily select this point. Since SolidWorks cannot understand if you select the side, which point should be selected. So if this and this has been selected automatically, but I don't want this one, I want this point and this point should be connected. You see, it's a different model now. This is a straight line now, and this is a curve, right? So carefully use this feature while you use it. So same sketch but different model. So be careful on this feature, otherwise it's a very helpful feature to use. So that's all from my side. So if you have any queries and questions, you may ask in my comment section, and please subscribe and like on my channel and inspire me to do more. So thank you and have a good day.